Hello, this is Amanda with From Where I Stamp near Kingston, Ontario, and I'm working on birthday cards this week. It is something that I don't always remember to send them on time, but my goal for 2022 is I'm hoping to do that. And so my video today, we are using the Happiest of Birthdays stamp set. And it is just a fun little set with a bunch of different greeting styles. And we're going to use kind of a simple card with a couple different layers. Layers are a great way if you don't have a Stampin' Cut and Emboss, if you don't have designer series paper, but you have some cardstock and you have a couple different colors, just pick a couple colors and put them together, and then you can stamp. So just a moment, I'll switch around these. And I just realized I didn't grab my ink. My ink is way over there. Okay, so I think I have everything. So we have the Happiest of Birthdays stamp set, and we're going to use It's Your Day, Enjoy It. But I do love how big this Wishing You the Happiest of Birthdays stamp is. So this is the actual size. And I love adding designer paper because it makes it a lot easier, but sometimes we don't have designer paper in the right colors. So here we have a Misty Moonlight. I think that's the color name. Yes, it's been a while since I've looked at my color names. Okay, Misty Moonlight, and I've already scored it, just using the bone folder to fold that in half. And then I just went through my colors and just put them together. So this is Smoky Slate. It's my favorite gray. And then some basic white. And then some Highland Heather, which is my favorite purple. Purple's my favorite color if you don't know. All right, so we're going to do some stamping on this. And I still forgot another color. That's what I get for moving my ink pads way over there. All right. So I'm not sure which way I want this to turn out. All right, so I actually want this size and this one. So we have block C. You can't really see it. And block H are what we're going to use. And I have this Happy B-Day. That's one of my favorite things to write, is Happy B-Day. It's a little dirty. Must not have cleaned it all the way. There we go. With a little bit of the chamois. And then we're going to do the It's Your Day, Enjoy It. Like so. All right. So first I want to stamp excuse me, the Happy B-Day on the basic white. And I'm trying to figure out which color to do. So if I should do it Highland Heather or if I should do it Misty Moonlight. I think I'm going to do it Misty Moonlight. Or maybe I'll do both. Let's see. It's fun to play around with it. And if I stamp it and I don't like it, I can flip it over and use the other side. So ink up this stamp, make sure you can see. And then we're just going, I'm not going to worry too much about how straight it is. Something like that. I'm just going to check. Yeah, I think I'll leave it all Misty Moonlight. And you want some of them to be off the page a bit. So it's almost like you're making your own designer series paper. Something like this. So you want to make sure you have something excuse me, on your table that you can either wipe off like the deluxe foam mat with just the Simply Chamois. Get that all cleaned up here. Or you use a piece of scrap paper or grid paper to get that, to protect your tabletop, I should say. All right, so, and of course, the Simply Chamois. This one doesn't have a lot of water on it at the moment, but it still does a half decent job. I find that you do have to have some water. This is a little dry. I need to have some water on the Simply Chamois. All right, so next we're going to do Memento Black with the It's Your Day. All right. And let's see, do we want to stamp it? I don't think I want it there. And I don't think I want it over here. But I think we'll do it kind of, I have the camera moved a little far away, my phone. So I don't know if I'm going to stamp this in just the right spot. If I was smart, I would have my Stamparatus. Then it wouldn't matter. But it turned out pretty good. So see, it's not coming in as clean as it could. So I'll get this a little more wet and it'll clean up, no problem. All right, so now we have all our pieces. Easy peasy, simple card, nice and quick, doesn't take long. All right, so we're gonna put some glue on the back, and it doesn't matter if you get ink on the back of this, because no one's gonna see it. I got ink on my fingers, but that's okay. It'll wash off. All right. So then we'll put this smack dab in the middle-ish. Oops, not that far over. Something like that, maybe? Yeah, like that. All right, so this piece goes here. Aw, got to stamp that again. It's smudged. You can't see it. There, it's smudged. Oh well, stamp it again. Let's try this again. Put it right here. Let's let it dry. All right, while I'm doing that, letting it dry, we are going to go and grab my embellishment box. And I'm going to see, let's see, we have these matte black dots, which I don't think so. No, champagne rhinestones. Elegant faceted dots. Maybe. I like the sparkle. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. So what I was going to say about the sentiment, before I noticed it was smudged, is it goes here, roughly. You could center it. You could have it to the left. You could cut off the end to make a point. You could make a banner. I think I'm just going to leave it square, but I am going to put some dimensionals to pop it up, just to give it a little bit of interest. Now, if you don't have dimensionals, you can just glue. Oops. That's why I like my tweezers. Then my dimensionals don't stick to my fingers. All right. Oops. A little too close to the edge. And do that. So I think it's dry. Looks dry enough to me now. Need my little container so I don't get little, oh, itchy nose today. I don't get little backings all over the place. Okay. So then we go like this. Something like this, I think. Over to here. Something like that. And then I'm going to use I don't need this anymore. Maybe I should have, oh well, that's okay. Then use these elegant faceted gems. And I'm going to use this really sparkly ones. And I put one there. And one here on either side of the greeting. Like so. There we go. And I don't think I'm going to put any more. All right. So using the Happiest of Birthdays stamp set with some Misty Moonlight, some Smoky Slate, and some Highland Heather in basic white. Here's a quick and simple birthday card. And I'll just put a piece of basic white in the inside, fill out the greeting, and have it ready to go for next month. And if it's something that you'd love to receive a birthday card, send me a message. And if you've enjoyed, and I'll send you a card. And if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this with a friend who would be interested to learn more too. Have a great day.